Scott here. Today we're reviewing a Philadelphia, Pennsylvania-based heat and air company that we've turned inside and out, providing local residents a helpful industry review of Farenheit. Farrel Shuster and all the folks there are amongst one of the most respected owners in the heating and air conditioning industry, and this company grades out with excellent marks across the board for outstanding customer support, reputable reviews and testimonials, and much more. So if you live in Metro Philadelphia or South New Jersey areas and you need heating and AC services, including repairs and installations, check out Farenheit. From amongst 500 plus HVAC contractors in your area, Farenheit is the only company receiving our seal of industry excellence. So to learn more about Farenheit, check out their details below and give them a call today. Again, congratulations to Farrel and their entire team.